Hello guys, this is going to be a short video where I'm being showing you how to open your console in Counter-Strike Source. I know there's a lot of videos, but I'm going to make a video later that you're going to be using the console, so I'm just making it short so you can see how. First you need to find your Counter-Strike Source, that's here, then press right click and find the properties, that'll be this one, and set launch options, and that should be standing this, and then console, put this in, and then you open your game. It should be there. Okay, let's just see, just open the game and you will see how it would look. You can use this console if you don't know. You can use it for server commands or some HUDs if you want to remove your text in-game or something like that. You can use a console. You can also use it to see how much you damaged people and then how many hits they have taken from you. It's going to stand how much damage you take from each person, how many hits you got. Console is a great tool in Counter-Strike Source. I think you should have it open for all time. But let's see how it looks. I don't know if my in-game camera does work, but let's hope. Just lagging. Okay. Oh, this is what it looks like. You can type here like, and then if you're typing like a lot, your crosshair scale is going to be small, and if you're typing like run, you're going to get a crosshair scale you even can't see, so no crosshair actually cause it's so big. That's all for now. See you.